Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the capital F and the small f and its sound. We will also learn the words that begin with and we will also learn the correct formation of. So let's begin the class. This is the capital F and this is the small f and its sound is.
Letter F says f, like fish or four or flower or frog. Letter F says f, like fan or flag or fruit or fog. Letter F says f, like fish or four or flower or frog. Letter F says f, like fan or flag or fruit or fog.
Now listen carefully and repeat the sound and the words after me. Feather, frog, fly, fish, flower.
Down the flag, lift off and across. F for flag. F. Down the flag, lift off and across. F. Fish. F. Down the flag, lift off and across. F. Frog. Down, lift off and across.
Practice writing F on the green board as many times as you can. Start from the first line, go round, come down, touch the third line, then lift off your pencil and make a cut on the second line. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to write F as many times as you can in the hollow letter. Start from the arrow, go round, come down, then lift off your pencil and cut from the middle. And on page 14, trace letter F, color the picture and write F with pencil. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to write F as many times as you can in the hollow letter. Don't forget to follow the arrows. And you need to color in the picture of fan, or you can make any other picture that begin with the sound. And on the second page, you need to write F by following the same directions. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the capital F and the small f and its sound. We have also learned the words that begin with the sound like fish, flag, fly. And we have also learned to write F. Great job, everyone.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Y and Z.